What's up, folks? So, basically, yeah, I've been out here for half hour and it hasn't stopped raining. Trying to do a video, right? And it's just pouring. And I'm like, in the middle of the woods. This is why being a YouTuber is fun and very intriguing, to say the least. Luckily my phone is waterproof, but anyways, yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna let up, so I probably won't be able to get to do a video today, but I figured I'd show you guys. My goal was to come out here and do a review of a stove that I've been trying to do for 3 weeks. And yeah, I can do a full 360. Middle of the woods, nothing around me, man. I got to hike out about 2 miles. Hopefully it'll stop raining. It's been raining for a half hour straight. Luckily, I always carry my poncho and everything in my pack. I got my pack over there, sitting in a little quick shelter, kind of like camp or whatnot. I don't know if this is if this video is going to come out or not, but I figured I'd share with you guys out there watching YouTube and whatnot. All right, this is Gray. I'm out. Wish me luck, folks. So I figured I'm getting close to the main trail, which is right over here. It is flooded. Oh man. Yeah, it doesn't. Let me see if I can cover that. Anyways, I don't know if I can flip this camera around, but let me show you the main trail. Let me flip it. You see that? That's the entire trail. Wild. My phone wouldn't even let me flip the camera around. Anyways, folks, I'm about 10 minutes out. It's pretty deep in here. Some of it's coming up to my, what's the word I'm looking for? It's coming up to mid-calf. Saturated. Let me try to get some of this water out of the way. Anyways, hopefully this is recording and doesn't stop. But I'll see you guys tomorrow night at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Late Night with Gray. And we can talk about this little experience that I had. Life of a YouTuber, right? Caught in a rainstorm. All right, folks. God bless. Stay safe. This is Gray, and I'm out.